In this video, we will discuss how to clean A-dec handpiece tubing. For information about cleaners and disinfectants, refer to the instructions for use or contact A-dec customer service. Note, this video only applies to tubing manufactured by A-dec. For information about tubing manufactured by another company, please refer to the original manufacturer's documentation. Begin by powering off the delivery system. Next, remove any attachments that you do not wish to come in contact with the cleaner from the end of the tubing. Wipe the tubing starting from the delivery system, working towards the handpiece end of the tubing. The strain relief at the delivery end of the tubing is stronger than at the handpiece end. Wiping from the handpiece risks pulling the sheathing out of the handpiece nut and damaging wires inside the tubing. A-dec recommends wiping the tubing with soap and water on a weekly basis. Tubing should be wiped in the same motion as with the cleaner. This acts to remove any residual cleaning residue and prolongs the life of the tubing. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.